How to lock or unlock a folder in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock or unlock your folder in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, locate your folder. After you locate your folder, simply right click on the folder. After you right click on it, you need to head over to the properties. Now, in properties, what you'll need to do is head over to the security option. After you tap on the security option, simply tap on edit right here. After you tap on edit, this page will open up. Now what you'll need to do right here is select your administrator. After you choose your administrator, what you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure that you deny full control here. After you just check box on the full control, all of the others will follow. And after you've done all of this, simply tap on apply and tap on yes. Now what this is doing is now you are just setting a deny permission entry. That is, now you cannot enter without permission or even with permission. So tap on OK now after you tap on apply and then tap on OK again. So after you've done that, simply head over to the folder location again to check if it's been locked properly. So now double tap on it to open up and you'll get this option right here. Now it says you are denied, you don't have the access here. So tap on cancel. Now that is how you lock a folder. Now if you want to unlock it, what you'll have to do is again right click on it, head over to the properties and again head over to security. What we are doing here is we are simply just undoing what we did earlier. So tap on edit, choose your administrator and again now make sure that you remove this checkbox on deny. After you've done that for all of these, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After you've done that, again tap on OK here and head over here to open this and there we go. Now you have unlocked your folder. And yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more and bye bye.